Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals? The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting method that can help you allocate your money wisely and live a more balanced life. In this video, we will explore the 50-30-20 rule in detail, discussing its benefits, how it works, and how to execute it effectively. So let's dive in and discover how this simple budgeting method can transform your financial future. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, Republic of Wealth, and hit the like button. If you're new here, welcome to our channel, where we discuss everything about personal finance and credit. The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting guideline that suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This rule is designed to help individuals or families strike a balance between living within their means, enjoying life, and preparing for the future. Now that we know what the 50-30-20 rule is, let's discuss how it works. To implement the 50-30-20 rule, follow these steps. Calculate your net income by subtracting taxes and other deductions from your gross income. Determine your monthly expenses and categorize them as either needs or wants. Needs are essential expenditures such as housing, utilities, and groceries, while wants include non-essential items like dining out, entertainment, and clothing. After calculating your needs and wants, set aside 20% of your net income for savings and debt repayment. This amount can be used to build an emergency fund, save for retirement, or pay off debts. It's important to note that the 50-30-20 rule is a guideline and the actual percentages you allocate to each category may vary based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. For example, if you have significant debt, you may choose to allocate more towards debt repayment. Or if you're saving for a down payment on a house, you may allocate more towards savings. Now that we know how it works, let's talk about some of the mistakes people make when using the 50-30-20 rule. One common mistake is not tracking your expenses. It's crucial to monitor your spending habits to ensure you stay within the allocated percentages. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Another mistake is failing to prioritize needs over wants. Some people may spend excessively on non-essential items, such as frequent dining out, which can throw off their budget. Prioritize your needs and be mindful of your spending on wants to maintain a healthy financial balance. Finally, not being flexible is also a common issue. Unexpected expenses or changes in income can impact your budget. Be prepared to adjust your spending categories accordingly, and don't be afraid to reallocate funds as needed. Let's now reveal the ultimate hack to make the 50-30-20 rule even more effective. Automation. Automate your savings and debt repayment. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or debt accounts. This ensures that you consistently set aside money for your financial goals without having to think about it. There are several ways to automate your savings and debt repayment. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or debt accounts. You can also use a budgeting app that connects to your bank accounts and automatically categorizes your expenses. By automating your finances, you can stay on track with the 50-30-20 rule and make significant progress toward your financial goals. In conclusion, the 50-30-20 rule is a powerful budgeting tool that can help you achieve financial balance and security. By allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment, you can strike a healthy balance between present and future well-being. Remember to track your expenses, prioritize needs over wants, and be flexible with your budget. And don't forget the ultimate hack, automation. By automating your savings and debt repayment, you can stay committed to the 50-30-20 rule and make significant progress toward your financial goals. Start implementing the 50-30-20 rule today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Republic of Wealth, for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. We would love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let us know how you plan to use the 50-30-20 rule in your own budget. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask. We're here to help. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.